Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to play Roblox on a school Chromebook. So guys, first of all, if you want to play it guys, first of all make sure to open up Chrome browser on your Chromebook and just search for this website called now GG Roblox. Search for this text or search for this website. So when you search for it guys, here you will see this first link over here. You can click on the first link over here and you will see this Roblox page on this website. So basically this website guys allow you to play this game on Roblox on your on the browser itself. You don't have to install any application, and when you install this guys, or when you play this game, when you click on this play in browser, so rightly guys, this game is not available in my region because I'm in India, but in case of you guys, you might find this Roblox on browser, so you can check and whether you can play this Roblox in your region or not, and let me know in comment section. So that's the only way to do that guys, and that's how you can play the Roblox on school Chromebook. So that's the only way, because Chromebook has some restrictions for not playing games. So this thing guys allow you to play game, so it's just for the fun. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye bye.